Imagine finding $100 on the street. You'd feel amazing. But now imagine losing $100 from your wallet. That loss feels much worse. Why? Your brain has a bias called loss aversion. It makes financial losses feel more painful than equal gains feel rewarding. And this psychological trick can control financial decisions. It can make investors panic when stocks fall, when the plan hasn't changed. It can make people hold on to losing investments because defeat feels painful. And it can make you avoid opportunities because there's a chance of losing money. Here's the surprising part. Your brain isn't actually asking, what decision makes you richer? It's asking, how do I avoid feeling this pain? That's the trap. The next time money's at risk, pause and ask, are you making this decision to build wealth or simply to avoid losing? Because sometimes fear of losing $100 could cost you far more.